Welcome to our factory, where precision and innovation come together to bring high-quality solutions to cotton production. In today's video, we are showcasing the key steps in the installation and testing of several advanced machines. Our focus today is on the automatic stacker, a vital component for improving efficiency in the production line. The automatic stacker is designed to automatically collect, stack, and prepare cottons for shipment. This machine ensures that stacks are perfectly aligned and ready for handling, with minimal manual intervention, reducing labor costs and improving overall productivity. Next, we have the Vibrator. This machine plays a crucial role in separating waste paper from the finished cardboard after it's been cut. Using a combination of airflow and internal vibrations, the vibrator helps to remove any unwanted scraps of paper, leaving the final product clean and ready for the next step in the production process. It also helps in the smooth transport of cardboard through the line, ensuring consistent quality at every stage. We also have the Flexo Printer, which we are calibrating to ensure precise, high-quality prints on each cotton. This machine guarantees that every product is printed with clarity and accuracy, fulfilling all branding requirements. Lastly, we are assembling a new printing machine that will further enhance our production capabilities, delivering even higher precision and output. We are committed to providing solutions that maximize productivity, ensure consistency, and take your manufacturing operations to the next level. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates as we continue to innovate and improve.